Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to show you all some of the updates that I've made to my Zero Waste Store business plan template for 2023. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, we're going to dive into some of the updates that I've made to my Zero Waste Store business plan template. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little PowerPoint presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. All right, enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the Zero Waste Store business plan template and the changes that I've made for the 2023 version. So first, what I did is I updated the industry analysis. So the Zero Waste Store, that is a broad category that's going to incorporate grocery stores. It's also going to include specialty shops as well. So for the industry analysis, what I've done is I've research the broad or the overreaching industry that the zero waste stores compete in, which is going to be your supermarkets and your grocery store. So in this industry analysis, I did do the research for the supermarket and grocery stores. I went ahead and went to my IBIS World. It was a subscription. IBIS World, as a lot of people already know, it is the industry leader in industry research. So I extrapolated some of the important information from that report, summarized it, and put it into my business plan template. And some of the information that I've updated in the template for 2023 is going to be the revenues for the overreaching industry, the profits for the industry, profit margin, typical number of businesses, employment, and wages. All right, the second thing that I updated, or category that I updated, is I expanded my industry research. So typically my business plan templates are going to be about 1 page, 3/4 of a page with information about the general industry in which a business is going to compete. For my 2023 version for my business plan templates, including the Zero Waste Store, I've expanded my industry research to include the product and services segmentation. And what this does is it just shows that you've done additional research into the into your industry. It shows that you are competent in understanding the overreaching aspects and categories, and that you're going to be able to bring that broad understanding to your business. All right, and the final segment that I've updated in my Zero Waste Store business plan template is going to be the profit and loss statement in my Excel financial model. So all my business plan templates come with a financial model, and most of the changes you're going to be making on the financial model is going to be on the information page. However, for 2023, I have updated my profit and loss page, and the profit and loss is just going to give you a 12-month breakdown of your revenues and your costs. I've now incorporated where you can go ahead and change your sales growth on a monthly basis instead of an annual basis. This way is going to help you better reflect your thoughts and ideas on how your store is going to perform on a monthly basis. And all you would do is just change in the darker color cells the sales growth for that for the next month. And from there, you are able to then, like I said, better show your thoughts and ideas for your profit and loss statements on a month-to-month basis to the end user of your business plan. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.